Because this is what the fucking people on YouTube be looking for. Ripp Supercharged V6 Challenger right here. Oh, I'll show y'all that. Damn, interior dope as hell. Racing setup. Good shit. Scanner. Shit.
It's automatic.
Is it automatic?
Yep.
Yeah. Nice. Hey man, I ain't hating on that shit. How much? What are you getting to the wheels?
So in Georgia, I'm getting around 480.
To the wheels? God damn, you running aggressive, man. What up? What up? Have you swapped out anything else? I'm all right. I don't care about that. 480 to the wheels? Did you swap out your throttle body, intake manifold, anything like that?
No, that's next on the list.
Nice.
I'm gonna get the pounds, about 8 pounds.
This will run you, that'll be like $299. I just swapped mine out. 80 mil ported.
Yeah.
And then this is next on my list too, actually.
Yeah, I read
it's crazy that you say that.
Yeah, I read that the throttle body doesn't really.
Well, I think this is hell.
I will go for the first one. Hell yeah. Hit it one more time.